What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we have a good one. We're actually gonna install Christian's Tomei. So if y'all don't know Christian or y'all forgot about him, he had the G37, the one that we installed the ARC exhaust. Well, now he has the Tomei, and he actually sold the G37, and he has the 370Z now. And he actually bought a Tomei maybe last week. He bought it from some guy. I might ask him how much he paid for it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is a Tomei, full Tomei, even has a white pipe. And right now, Carlos is working on it. By the way, we do have jack stands, so don't start talking mess. We do have jack stands. Hey Christian, how much you got the Tomei for?
I got it for $1,300.
1,300. Damn, that's not bad. So yeah, 1,300 for the whole exhaust. Normally, brand new runs like around $2,000. That's how much I paid for, like around $2,000 that I paid for mine. This is Christian's new car. It's a 370Z. We didn't do an install for the carbon fiber hood, but it's a brand new carbon fiber hood. It's pretty dope. But anyways, guys, today's goal is to finish this Tomei install before Carlos has to leave, because Carlos is actually the main one that helps us install everything since he knows more. Yeah, we're gonna be installing this, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys.
¿Qué está pegando detrás, güey? ¿Otro primero?
Hey, ¿no pueden hablar inglés, por favor? Dude, my channel is nothing but English. Dude, if we had it left, we would have been done already. Hey, Christian, can you buy a lift?
Can you buy a lift?
Carlos, can you buy a lift?
I'm broke. No lo rayes.
Oh, bro. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the white pipe first. We're gonna reuse the gaskets that were right here. They're kind of brand new. Hey, we should have had. Hey, Christian, can you turn on your car with straight headers? I mean, straight cats. Yeah. Hey, you wanna turn it on, dude? Yeah, hey, turn it on. Turn it on. I wanna see how it sounds. Okay, right now it's only headers and cats, so we're gonna see how it sounds. Oh, it's nasty. Oh, that was nasty, dude. By the way, guys, something that Carlos figured out is that if you ever get a Tomei, it has something like engraved that says what side goes where. And this one has the right side. The other one's left, of course. So something Carlos figured out. And why is Carlos doing everything? Hey, you're excited for your Tomei?
Yeah. Better than my ARC exhaust I had on the G37.
What happened to that car?
Sold it.
Hey, the people want to know. The people want to know. Hey, for the people that want to know, where did you get the hood?
We got it from OUTCAST Garage.
OUTCAST Garage. Promo code.
No matter what happens, these are better.
Oh, damn.
No entra, güero.
OUTCAST Garage. Promo code Christian.
Lo que no quería.
Hey, but I'm pretty sure whenever, it's because he's hitting right now, but whenever you take the one in the back.
Pues, lo quería que cuadrar primero, güey. Estar apretando esto, pero ya lo apreté a la verga.
Wait, what did she say?
Dick.
Hey, what did he say?
Dick.
No, in Spanish.
Y no comprende español.
Okay.
Tú calmado, marihuano.
Hey, why do they call you marihuano?
I smoke weed a lot. Smoke weed every day. Smoking time.
What did he say?
Una Coca-Cola.
Oh, okay.
Shit.
This video is gonna get demonetized. I'm not gonna make no money out of it.
Oh, you know what I was thinking, Christian? We don't need put the same boats. I know, just put these on.
Oh, that's smart. Hey, how many guys does it take to remove a exhaust?
Honestly, one.
One?
Todo me está aquí como chile parado.
Damn. How can we? Hey.
Be honest, you're making you money, fool.
Hey, how can you translate chile parado en inglés?
¿Cómo se dice?
Chile? How do you say chile in English?
Chili.
Salsa. Jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
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 Standing up? Standing up jalapeno?
Hey, for the people that know Spanish in my channel, I'm pretty sure y'all heard chile parado or something like that, but
No, me estoy apretando.
jalapeno, standing up jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Good stuff, Carlos, good stuff. Keep at it, boy, keep at it. So, what are we doing now?
Waiting for him to finish.
So we just be standing up jalapenos? Supervisors. Alright, well, I'll get back to whenever we take off that piece. Well, Carlos takes off the piece. I know a lot of people are gonna be talking mad that Carlos did everything, but he didn't. I was helping too. Christian was helping too. I was helping too. You see? Christian's about to help.
Hey, I'm not. I just did that right now by myself.
Watch out.
Hey, what the hell?
What was the hardest part?
I thought it was gonna be hard. Hey, it's all because of this. It's all because of this. Free salt. By the way, if somebody wants a 370Z exhaust,
$50 right now.
50 bucks.
Nah, 30. Come pick it up.
30 bucks right now. Come through.
Just be some fucking beer.
Beer?
A 24 pack.
Nah, some hot and spices?
Thank you so much, cousin.
Oh, whoa. Baby.
Hey, $50 now.
50 bucks. Whoever wants it, 50 bucks. Yeah, Christian? 50 bucks or hot and spices?
50 bucks.
50 bucks?
About 50 hot and spicy.
50 hot and spices are a bet.
Want to turn it on?
Hey, turn it on. Hey, turn it on. See how it sounds. Turn it on. Alright, right now he's gonna turn it on with
But it's
just...
even connected with the
Nah,
white pipe.
just the Tomei white pipe. Let's see how it sounds.
And nothing long, it's gonna be hot.
Hey, backfire. Damn. That thing is loud, dude.
I want to put it on their white pipe.
What?
Somebody doesn't want to put on their white pipe.
I haven't installed my white pipe for a reason, but I am gonna soon. Next video, I'll install it.
I haven't installed my white
Hey.
pipe. I installed it.
Tiene que adentro.
I haven't installed it. Next video, I'll install mine. The hell?
Está acá adentro, güey.
Damn, but that was loud, guys. Hey, that was loud, huh?
That was alright.
That was alright.
That's better.
We didn't do it.
Oh, more than, huh?
We didn't go before video.
Hey, no, next video, no, not next. We should make a video of a rap battle. Your Mortadine and his Tomei. Yeah, I bet. All right, guys. So this is enough of installing. It's just that and this now. So I'll get back to y'all whenever we're done with everything, cause I need to help these guys since they need my help.
You're not helping us. Oh my god.
Hey, they need my help, so you know I gotta get my hands dirty a little bit. All right, we're done installing the Tomei. Now, Christian, are you ready? This ain't no muffler delete, boy. All right, this ain't no muffler delete. Look at. Okay. Y'all ready, guys? 370Z Tomei, full Tomei exhaust with white pipe as well. Hey. Sounds good. I'll give you that.
Sounds better than stock exhaust.
Alright guys, well anyways, comment down below what do you think, how it sounds. Remember, it's the whole car is stock. The only thing that it has is the Tomei exhaust. So yeah. Huh? Tomei. It's not Tomi. The Tomei. Hey, you know what you should do since your dog is called Tomi? Just put a picture of Tomi right there. I'm gonna do that. I'm I'm taking a picture of your dog. But anyways, guys, comment down below. What do you think about it? Like, do you like the sound of it, or you know, just any suggestions or anything?
Some flybys.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some flybys and everything.
That sounds nice, but it's not that loud. It's not that loud.
So you wanna go over there? This girl recording me.
No, we're not.
Better too.
Hey, but sound wise,
Oh, that sounds good, but he needs headers or test pipes, hard pipes, something. He needs something else. He has to take those cats off.
but Mamina, you wanna plug yourself? No? Alright.
Hey, but it's fast. But you need fatter tires. You have to get grip.
Yeah. Once I get my Boston.
Alright guys, well, this is gonna be the end of the video. By the way, guys, if you have any comments, comment down below. I'm gonna wrap it up because I have to leave already. Carlos has to leave, so
What should I do next?
I don't know. What do you think Christian should do next, other than get a bumper or some other Mars? But like, yeah, what do you think he should get next? Carlos, we need to see mods, please. But alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, guys, it's freaking cold, but my homeboy Manny came through and he barely bagged his IS, and the thing is sick. But anyways, guys, have a nice day.